Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to the green planet Dubai. So we are going towards the entrance of this green planet. It's too hot in Dubai. Meet the first beautiful parrot in the green planet. It's such a beautiful parrot, same as like welcoming bird. And here is my baby Amy. This is the way we entered inside, and we can see so many fishes here. It's an aquarium. As soon as we entered, we can see so many varieties of fishes out here. Amazing.
Of about 250 kilos, they could easily crack through walnuts. You can see as he peels himself and getting to that delicious walnut. Do you want one too now? Oh yeah. So our two hyacinth macaws are fairly young. In age, they're about 4 years old, which for a parent species, especially macaw. So I mentioned these birds being called macaws. We have some other parents with us here as well. We have some gendays. So gendays are a type of conure. So macaws are a very large species of parrot. Conures are a very small species of parrot. They are full grown. This is as
Look at this red color bird. Wow, this is so cute. Again, she's also a parrot, and it's a really beautiful parrot. Wow, really amazing color. And here is Amy giving flying kisses to all the birds. She's really enjoying. Look at this cute monkey. This monkey is really very tiny, small monkey. It looks little bigger here, but it's really tiny. Look at this bird. How happy this bird is. This bird was really busy in dancing. Look. And here is my bird copying the other bird.
How was the place?
Wow.
And what is the place name? No, place name. Place? Green? Planet. Say?
It's too hot outside. It's approximately 49 to 52 degrees Celsius the temperature is. But look, Am is enjoying the summer, and it's really very difficult to catch her if she runs. She's really enjoying, I must say that.
Let me say bye to Green Planet. Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye to Green Planet.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
How was the place?
How was the place?
Wow.
Okay.
You liked it?
Say yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.